I'm walking on the stairs. I have seen those stairs from the Canadian side many times. Now I'm walking on it. There are lots of birds. And of course, there are lots of tourists too. Now, I'm getting the showers. It is totally amazing. Look at this. Look at this water just running down from the cliff. You can see the water is running under the stairs. On the rock. I feel like I'm in a storm. Can you see the beautiful rainbow? The rainbow. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm in the storm. People are still climbing. Look at this. Look at this beautiful rainbow. We feel as if we are going through a hurricane. It's totally amazing. number 4.